How to request files from people without portal access. The file request feature allows you to create a secure link for clients or third parties to easily upload files directly into your specified folder. You can share the link with recipients in any convenient way, and they won't need portal access to complete the upload. We're currently in our General Box account, which we use for storing documents from people who don't have access to the portal yet. Here we have the Docs from Prospects folder where we want to collect documents from people who don't have accounts on TaxDome yet. Let's now generate a file request link. Click on the three dots to the far right of the folder, then select Request Files. Here, you can add a message for your clients. Let's say, please upload the documents using this link and put your name for good record keeping. Leave the Send Request via email toggle off and then click the Save button. Here's the link that you can copy and share with your prospects so that they can upload documents. Copy the link. You can also view all links under the File Request subtab. If you click on the three dots to the far right of the link, you'll be able to see the ability to copy the link, edit or revoke if you don't want to receive any more documents. If you click on the link, this is what the clients will see on their end. They would be able to drag and drop files or choose them. Let's try drag and dropping this file that I have here. Let's go back to the firm's account, and there you go.